Phil with Right Rope. Today we're going to talk to you about one of the most well-known ropes in the world, natural fiber Manila rope. We're going to talk about what it is, what you can use it for, and some things that you should know about it. Natural fiber Manila rope is one of the oldest and most well-known types of rope. It is made from the abacá plant, which is grown mostly in the Philippines. It is oftentimes referred to as hemp rope, but it is not technically hemp. It is made from the abacá plant. Manila rope is used for many different applications. One of the most common uses for Manila rope is for decorative applications, such as railings on decks and docks. Another common thing is for exercise ropes. People will use this as a gymnasium climbing rope and also as a battle rope. Manila is great for this application because of its good grip. A question that many people ask is Manila rope safe to use with animals? We do not recommend using Manila rope with animals because it is made with a mineral oil during construction. We recommend instead sisal rope, which is another natural plant fiber rope, as well as our 100% cotton. Some people do use Manila rope without consequence for certain animal breeds. You'll want to look that up for yourself. Here at Right Rope, we sell Manila rope in sizes 1/4 inch all the way up to 3 inches in diameter. We sell it by the foot. You can order in any length you want, or you can buy it in bulk coils. There are a few things for you to consider before making your purchase of Manila rope. The first one is Manila rope is a natural plant fiber, and natural fiber ropes are slightly oversized. I'm holding in my hand a piece of 2 inch, and this measures more like 2 1/8 inches. The second thing to consider is that Manila rope shrinks when it gets wet. It shrinks about 10 to 15% because it absorbs water. You need to take this into consideration when ordering for your project. Another thing to consider about Manila rope is that it is made with a mineral oil during construction. This does give the rope a little bit of an unpleasant odor, but it does fade over time. The last thing to consider about Manila rope is that it does mildew and rot over time. If you are in an environment that is high in humidity or gets lots of rainfall, you should consider our Pro Manila rope. Pro Manila is a synthetic version of the Manila rope that has a similar look and feel. Right Rope's Manila rope is a beautiful rope that will give your project a classic look and feel. When you shop with Right Rope, you can be sure you're getting the right rope at the right price.